世界上贵的咖啡一杯要偌济钱呢？今时世界纪录中有一间伫杜拜的咖啡厅，使用真罕见的咖啡豆啊，一杯咖啡会当卖到新台币3万块，那么做伙来评判。
伫杜拜无上奢华，只有国家奢华。怎么无爱这种咖啡豆？若要啉一杯，至少台币3万。
In the cup, you will find mostly white florals like jasmine and citrus flavors like orange, mandarin, bergamot, and hints of stone fruits like apricot and peach.
杜赞厝的火锅芳，伫今年8月精品咖啡大赛，和评审欧罗加德志摕到史上上悬分数。产地伫咧巴拿马巴罗火山附近庄园的月季咖啡豆，品质好，验过善良少。
So the total lot was 20 kg, and we are planning to serve 400 cups approximately. And we are not thinking to share any greens with any other company, so we wanted to be just exclusive for Julep brand.
虽然讲物件少就贵，杜拜人如果正惯势买高级货，验过这种啉一喙就几落千的咖啡，也是系好野人才啉得起。
I'm trying coffee every day, different beans, different texture, every day. But to spend that much on the coffee, it's difficult to say yes.
But if I was very rich and I did not care, I would try it just because.
业者也特别保留一寡咖啡豆，专门予杜拜王室享用。也讲因这种咖啡唔免用黄金的杯啊，或者是其他高级的包装，因为这种极品咖啡豆只能会当做400杯咖啡，一旦啉到就让人感觉你正尊贵。公司新闻林义主编写。